Hello everyone, welcome back to Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the advanced find. So advanced settings. Basically, advanced settings earlier, if you see in a classic interface, like a sitemap was here, and now later on Microsoft has been changed to left hand side again. But still, if you see in advanced setting, the previously we were getting like this, right? So now till like a last release, we were like using this one. But whereas coming to the recent change from the Microsoft, the advanced find sitemap has been completely changed from the top to left hand side. You can see. So if you see, there is a settings is there. So you can click on the settings icon. There you are able to see the advanced settings. Okay, click on this advanced settings. So here you can see. You can see here, so you can see here, so this is, so previously we have a like this. Okay, these are the, this is the navigation. So whatever you want to go, business management templates, which was like a quite familiar. So like this, like me, old is gold guy, classic, who are working from on-premise to till now. So far as like this is a very user friendly, but whereas coming to this one, it will become a quite clumsy way of. So there are so many comments I am receiving that please let us know how we can go to the from this new to old classic interface. Is there any way to go? So as of now, I have a like a hack of this going from this directly this new interface to old interface. But in upcoming days, Microsoft might change. Like earlier, we have a force classic equals to one, right? Like this later now it is not working. So in the same way, but currently you can use this one. Okay. So simply what we need to do. So here first we try to understand the differences. So here whatever we are having right upside right, those all Microsoft has been changed to left hand side. So you can see here customization, customize the system, solution and publishers and developer resources. So whatever you have in a underneath of the customizations, right? So here, for example, earlier we have it was appearing here, customize the system, solution, publisher and developer resource. Now we can see those all has been came as like appearing here it as a record. So here once you click again, it was going to the so the old way of interaction only, but still it is in directly redirecting to the power apps. Okay, we are already, we know that how like this one it is going from the power apps. But earlier if you are going from here, it was directing to the classic, right? But as of now, see, if you are directing it from here, so it was going to classic interface. Okay, so this is going to the classic interface. But when you are going from here, it is redirecting to model driven app. So still some users still they want, like they like to use, the most of the developers like to use the classic interface. So for them we have a hack. Okay, no problem. Let's first initially try to understand this what are these, like how they has been placed. So they have given separate a solution. So once you click on the solutions, right, it will directly it will land into the solution makedatpowerup.com website, and there like left hand side solutions it will get added, and this area will be get started appearing you. And again, whereas coming to the like different like a Microsoft app resources, like whatever the apps we have installed, and again this is our the developers, like every day we used to see this one. By without seeing this one our day will not get end. So plugin trace logs. Okay, so here you can see this plugin trace logs. Earlier we have a different here we need to go in different ways to go see there, right? So directly left hand side the useful customization, they created one uh, group as a customization, and they underneath of that they have added some subgroups, as you can see. So this is the like a system administration activities. Like administration we have, like if you want to enable the auditing, auto numbering, and again calendar customization, format, email, those all has been placed here. And whereas coming to the security, so here under earlier we have a security top side, and underneath of this these all. So most of the things are same only, but these all are navigating towards the new interface. Okay, if you want the old interface, that is not supported here as of now. But as of now, but we can go to the still old interface. So like this data management. So if you want to import the data or export the data, for the data templates. So those all like I will do it from here. So those all features are available here. So this is the this is the interface. Now I don't want it. I don't want this one. So because like I was habituated to use the old interface. Now how can I go there? So simply see, there is a one thing you need to add. You can see here main.aspx settings only equals to true. Okay, you need to add this in the URL. After that main that aspx is there, right? So here app ID is there. Okay, remove this app ID, whatever the app ID is there, right? Remove this one. So main dot aspx question mark, and after that you need to enter settings only equals to true. Okay, settings only equals to true. If you enter settings equals only equals to true, right? Then we can let's see how it is behaving. So here you can see now we landed into the old interface. So here simply after like a previous URL, whatever the URL, right? So like a site setting, so only equals to true if you use. So that equals to true. This one we don't need. So this one we don't need. Only from this area we need to include. So like that you can go and you can enjoy whatever the old classic interface still. But in upcoming days, Microsoft might remove this one. But in on-premise, still by default only we have the old things only. But in online, Microsoft will give some time. After some time, they will remove this URL also. It will be no more. So better I can say that make habitat to use this new interface also. See whatever the new interface, right? If you start using these interfaces, it you will get familiarized with this thing. And compared to old interface, this new interface is very lovely and very good. Okay, because there we need to search every time, everywhere. Like you click on one and again go to next, go to next. But here you can see everything. Microsoft has been provided everything, each and everything left hand side, very usefully. So here are like a processors, and you can see here upgrade logs whenever, for example, if something is getting upgraded, so you can see here is there any upgrade happened, and again if is there any auditing is there, like left hand side all. So we don't need to click and double click, because basically the users are getting frustrated. We don't want to use this one. Okay, that's it for the today. Thank you very much for watching Joyful Learning to the 65 YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting like this video. Let's meet in next video.